Hi, everybody. My name is Cristian Servín. I'm a professor here at El Paso Community College. I am a computer science, information technology, and cybersecurity instructor, but I'm also in charge of the Grow with Google here at El Paso Community College. The whole purpose that we create this video is to let you know about information that we actually are doing here, active aspects that we're doing here at the college using this fabulous work called Grow with Google. As you might know, Grow with Google is an initiative that, thanks to Haku, we're able to actually implement here at the community college. And the curriculum that we inherit from Google is absolutely free. Only if you are a member of this college, which means you're a student, and you have the ability to actually access this wonderful pathways. Now, before everything, and I'm pretty sure you know about the pathways, but if not, let me just tell you that we have 5 pathways that we want to complete in order to get enhanced skills. We count with 5 different pathways. The number 1 is build your digital skills, which permits to actually create a nice set of skills, digital skills about how to use your email. And I know what you're thinking, I know how to use my email, but you've never been using the Gmail properly with data analytics, how to actually help you to craft your email more securely, more professional oriented. The build your digital skills help us to actually build these entire skills there. Explore your career pathways tell you, like, now that you're a student, you probably have an idea what to study, but which one is the best option that actually you would like to have once you're enrolled in your classes, and which one has the high petition in the workforce. Land your great job. It helps us to basically prepare you for that interview, how to build your resume, how to make sure the cover letter is concise and going to the points according to that job description that you want. Now, once you have your job that you wanted, succeed at your new job is the path number 4 that you should pay attention, because we want to teach you how to time management, how to actually communicate with your colleagues, also how to work in problems that are oriented for everyone to you work in the workplace. Now, I know what you're thinking. Probably you might have heard about this imposter syndrome. Well, there's one module that helps us to overcome that imposter syndrome. And don't worry, it's normal. And path number 5 is start your own business. In computing in general, or it doesn't have to be in computing, you might have an idea how to implement, maybe create a mobile app, maybe create a website that helps you to create your workforce, or actually your needs from that in the industry, or maybe in your current workforce. Will help you to craft your ideas by using this pathway through innovation. So I invite you to go to the Grow with Google. There's more information in this website that you can see right here, and also link it to this video, as a matter of fact, so you can get more information about the sessions that we promote, the center that we're trying to do. Right now, we're currently working in a center called the Center for Coaching. It's a coaching center for actually implementing these digital skills. It's an awesome center that you can go there, say, you know what, I'm interested in the Grow with Google. I want to learn this pathway, these modules, and we'll help you. We have coaches that will help you to bring all your enthusiasm in and create resumes, cover letters, maybe to explore your career more in depth, and in academic advising probably as well. So sometimes we have some struggles about maybe these classes they don't cover by financial aid, or what kind of training do I need it. We'll help you here. So this center is in charge of basically help you to promote these digital skills right now. We're focusing in skills development because we notice that here in the workforce, that here's in El Paso, there's a lot of people who want to hire you with your skills, maybe with your background experience that you have, but sometimes they just need a little tweak on what you to expect from the workforce. We'll help you in this center and coaches for career readiness as well. So we teach you a lot of different things. Why would I be telling you that? Let's see some testimonials that we actually been working in the past years in this coaching center.
Hello, my name is Fernando Munoz. I'm a peer academic coach for EPCC's first year experience. At EPCC first year experience, we help first and second semester students with holistic advising, and we present opportunities such as the Grow with Google Career Readiness Program. We wanted to present students with one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, especially in their first year in college. So we do this by attending certain classes that are linked to our EPCC first year experience program. We present these modules to the students, and we allow them to register for these modules. As a computer science student, there is one specific module that really helps us, which is the third pathway, how to land a great job. With this pathway, we learn a lot about resume building and how to prepare for interviews. So while we do our own preparation for coding interview parts, we need the professional interview aspect of it, and the Grow with Google third pathway really helps with this aspect of interviews.
As a software engineer or future software engineer, what would you tell the new generation to take from Grow with Google?
I would recommend that they take the third pathway, how to land a great job. This really helps you how to start building on your resume from an early beginning and how to get a head start and how to actually stand out from the rest of the applicants. Not only that, there's also the fourth pathway, how to be successful at your new job. So we want to be successful at our new jobs, and how do we do this? We do this by building the right connections in our industry. Imposter syndrome is when new-time employees or students feel they are incapable of their skills and how they actually got to the place they are, and it helps you overcome that sensation. Yes, so I have been honored to be a recipient of the STEM scholarship at UTEP, which is awarded to us based on our aspirations as a STEM professional. And as mentioned before, the third pathway from the Grow with Google really helps with resume building. A resume is something that had to be turned in for this scholarship, and that preparation really helped me make an adequate resume to turn in. Yes, so I was honored to be a part of the IEEE Region 5 conference in Denver this past spring. During this conference, I presented my own research project, how to program fairness in autonomous vehicles using explainable artificial intelligence. And by doing so, I was able to network with students from other colleges and universities that were also in the areas of artificial intelligence or electrical engineering. I was also able to network with other STEM professionals that are in academia with my research project.
Hello, my name is Aya Adams. I'm a first-year student at EPCC. I'm currently studying computer science, and with hopes of becoming a software engineer. I want to work in the back end with different programs. I'm currently learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript so I can learn front end, but at EPCC I'm learning Java. So I'm interested in the professional development it will provide students. So it will help us accelerate our career with like resumes and professional development and opportunities to attend conferences. So I'm looking forward to being able to utilize the resources that we have here at EPCC and with Grow with Google. So I received the STEM scholarship from UTEP for when I transfer after EPCC, and I received it due to high academic achievement and an interest in computer science. I found out about the scholarship by going to UTEP's website and looking for the opportunities that they had, and I saw they were providing funding to EPCC students who are first years. So I'm very grateful to have received it, and I plan to use all the resources that they provide, especially with data science and cybersecurity. It's going to be good to be exposed to those different aspects of computer science. And this October, I'll be attending the Great Minds in STEM conference, and I hope to really utilize that and to engage with all the activities that they have there.
My name is Mayrin Rivera. I'm a second-year student here at EPCC, and I work in the computer science department. I learned about Grow with Google in my second semester. It was presented to us to win extra points at CAS. So the first pathway I took with Grow with Google actually helped me a lot to get into the position I am right now. The pathway was called Building Your Digital Skills. It introduced me to new Google Drive tools like Google Spreadsheets and Google Docs. It helped me to stand out from other applicants, so I won the internship as a work study here at the computer science department at EPCC.
Hello, my name is Ivan Alonso, and I am a computer science student here at El Paso Community College. I am a computer science peer leader here at Valle Verde. A peer leader is a computer science student that wants to help other students improve their programming skills and also their computational thinking as well. In order to be a peer leader, you need to have some skills such as time management, teamwork, and communication, since you communicate or want to teach other students and also communicate respectively with other faculty members. Grow with Google helped me to get my scholarship, especially in the application process, since it helped me to write my student resume and how to express what I wanted to communicate exactly. The very first time I heard about Grow with Google was when I took Computer Science 1, and it was offered as an extra credit assignment. I indeed recommend growing with Google to students, to other computer science students especially, since it helps you to learn how to network with other communities, not just with the computer science community.
As you can see, there is successful testimonials that how this Grow with Google has impact our students. Notice that there's students that like you, like your classmate, like your friend, who took classes with us in the past year and a half, and now Grow with Google has helped them to emphasize their derivatives of where to go after they graduate from EPCC. Many of them, they're going to the University of Texas in El Paso, UTEP, as you can hear. But some of them, they already found some internships, like to become a peer leader here with us. But that position sometimes also migrates to another position once they go to UTEP. You have heard the testimonial about just working in an internship here at EPCC as well. And not only that, it helped us to understand how you can promote your research skills. We heard Fernando how these skills help them not only to become a coach, but also to put it to the next extra level, to go and participate in national conferences. We're working with the Great Minds in STEM, one of the very well-known conference here in the United States, is international recognized about how to STEM fields can actually impact for the Hispanic community. We also want to go work in collaborations with HACU, maybe to go to those conferences and to other conferences that help us to disseminate these pathways, these modules, these skills that we're going to form in this coaching center that we prepare for you. My name is Cristian Servín. Here is my information in case you have any question about this great curriculum of Grow with Google. We're very, very lucky to have this opportunity to inherit this marvelous curriculum in our degrees. Let us know if you have any questions. Please visit our website as well, just to have more information. And I hope to see you in the center. See you next time.